What's up guys, I'm back with another new product, and this time it is a portable 15.6-inch touchscreen monitor. You know, I have already tested monitors from WIMAXIT company on our channel Tech Brothers, but that was a 7-inch Raspberry Pi touch monitor and a 14-inch touchscreen monitor. And now we will test a portable monitor with the largest screen from the WIMAXIT brand. It has a diagonal of 15.6 inches, Full HD resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, as well as a touch screen. Before we start the review, I ask you to hit the like button under this video and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Thank you. First, we can see a big WIMAXIT logo on the box. As already said, this is a multi-touch portable monitor. I will tell you later why it is a truly portable, despite its rather large size. There are also some features of the monitor on the side of the box, such as a 15.6-inch IPS panel, high definition, USB-C, HD, and power delivery. Inside the box is a leather case cover with a monitor. We will open it and look at the monitor a little later. Then we have USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A cable, HDMI to Mini-HDMI cable, power adapter, and user manual. By the way, there is also a protective film on the screen in the cover. So returning to the question of the portability, the case cover makes this monitor portable in the first place. The cover protects the monitor from the scratches or damage when you carry it in your bag. I'm not sure if the case is made of real leather, but it has a nice anti-flip texture. The case cover can also be used as a stand with two positions. In other words, it is a very useful and even must-have accessory for any external monitor. Now let's take a look at the monitor itself. As I said before, this model has a diagonal of 15.6 inches. The dimensions of the monitor are 360 by 230 by 10 mm. The weight is 905 grams. So it is a big but lightweight monitor. By the way, the bezels around the screen are quite thin, except for the bottom with the WIMAXIT logo. For comparison, my laptop also has 15.6-inch screen, but its bezels are much larger. The WIMAXIT portable monitor has dual built-in speakers. We will check out their quality a little later in this video. There is power button, wheel button, and 3.5mm audio jack on the left side, Mini-HDMI, USB-C 2, USB-C 1, and micro-USB Auto-G ports on the right side. In addition, the WIMAXIT 15.6-inch monitor has a 75mm with a mount on the back, so you can use it with a desktop arm. That's probably all about the design. And now let's move on to the connection. WIMAXIT portable monitor doesn't have a built-in battery, so you need to power it. You can use a single USB-C to USB-C cable for that. If you don't have a full-featured USB-C port on your laptop, then you can use a USB-C to USB-A cable for power and Mini-HDMI to HDMI cable for video delivery. By the way, the monitor can be used not only with laptop, but also with a PC, a game console, and even smartphones. However, the smartphone must have a full-features USB-C port. I tried to connect my iPhone to the monitor, but it didn't work. Before talking about image quality, I want to show you the settings menu of the WIMAXIT portable monitor. You need to press the wheel button on the side to enter the settings menu. Here we have picture settings with brightness, contrast, picture mode, the DCR, and sharpness. We can also adjust the colors of the monitor, such as color temperature, hue, saturation, low blue light, and FreeSync. The monitor has audio settings where we can change the volume and mute the sound, and other settings such as language, image flip, HDR, and reset. The signal input is also selected in the settings menu. You can also press the power button to select the signal input. By pressing the wheel button up and down, you can change the brightness of the screen. Now let's talk about image quality of a WIMAXIT 15.6-inch portable monitor. First, it has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels at 60 Hz. We can see this when selecting a signal source in the settings. The other specs of the monitor are 16:9 aspect ratio, 250 candela per square meters brightness, and 800:1 contrast ratio. As the image is very clear, you can read the text without any problems. As for the colors, they are good, but I still noticed that they are different from my laptop screen. I have tried different settings on the portable monitor, but it is still not the same as my laptop. To be honest, I cannot say which screen is better, I am just used to my laptop screen. By the way, the WIMAXIT portable monitor also has anti-glare matte screen, which makes it convenient to use even outdoors. As for the touchscreen, it works very well. There's a 10-point capacitive touch support, so you can use a monitor for drawing or other professional tasks.
The third generation of the smartwatch, Bezels Aries 3. One of the main changes in the new fitness tracker is the removal.
Now let's check the quality of the built-in speakers. Despite the dual speakers, the sound quality is below average. Yes, it is better than no sound at all, but I would rather use headphones or external speakers. Overall, I liked the WIMAXIT 15.6-inch touchscreen monitor. It is a truly portable monitor because of the case cover, which can also be used as a stand. The monitor has Full HD resolution, and I think it is enough for 15.6-inch diagonal. The image is really clear. The touchscreen extends the functionality of this monitor. For example, you can use it to draw. So for the price of only $169, it is a good portable monitor. Do you agree? Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!